And even as sales of the passenger cars have hit a rough patch, that's not coming in the way of diesel-run sports utility vehicles. No wonder M&M, which is seeing strong demand for its XUV 500, is lining up at least half a dozen SUVs to make the most of the strong demand for diesel vehicles. Kartika Trehan now joins us with more perspective on the same. Kartika.
Well, that's right. M&M is planning at least 6 new SUVs over the period of next 2 years. This largely comes across spectrum. The company wants to expand in the SUV segment. The company is planning right from the mid-level to the entry-level to the compact, high-end and also the luxury SUVs we can expect over the period of next 2 years. This comes as a very aggressive plan to enter the SUV space. We are currently seeing the SUV space dominating largely in terms of the markets. We have Maruti come out with its MPV, which is the Ertiga. We have Renault's Duster. So yes, that's one new segment which is currently dominating the entire market. So what we could expect going forward is that a range of these vehicles would possibly be in the M&M's existing platform, which you could see in the XUV 500, in Scorpio, in Xylo as well. They are already launching a Quanto on the September 20th. Again, that's going to be a mini Xylo that's going to come into picture. Now, this is also going to be an existing platform. Apart from that, the company definitely did mention that they're going to possibly looking at also a couple of newer platforms that they are working on. Sources also say that this is going to be an aggressive move as this diesel variants are kind of picked up, and M&M is largely present in the diesel variant, and that's the only company which has been pretty profitable going forward. In the time when we are seeing tough market situation, the company has managed to do pretty well. Also looking at the XUV 500, which has been pretty beneficial for the company ever since its launch in the first 2 months of its launching itself. The company crossed close to about 25,000 units in terms of the growth for the company there. So yes, aggressive plans, and we could expect more and more SUVs coming out of the M&M's platform going forward.